In this video, I will be teaching you guys how we guys can give Roblox to other people in Roblox. So if you want to send some Robux to your friend needs to create a game pass. And we have made a video on how we guys can create game pass in Roblox. You can watch that video. So your friend needs to create a game pass and put that game pass on for sale. Once your friend has done that, your friend needs to follow the steps. So send your friend this video, and after he has created the game pass watching our video, he needs to do this. He needs to go inside the create section, but first he needs to come into roblox.com, the website of Roblox, and log in into his account and click on create. Once he clicks on create, it's going to show him this world. He has to choose which world he used to create the game pass. So I created my game pass in this world, so I will choose that. And once it's inside the game, he needs to go inside associated items. From inside associated items, he's going to see passes. Once he clicks on passes, it's going to show all the passes he has created. So let's say he wants to ask 100 Robux from me. He has to click on the pass which says 100 Robux, click on the three dot, click on copy URL. Once your friend copies this URL, your friend needs to send this URL to you. And once you receive the URL, you can just paste it on your browser. And once you paste it on it, it's going to take you to the game pass and it's going to show you buy over here. Now in my case, it's showing me inventory because I created this and this is the same account. But if your friend sends you a game pass URL, it's going to show you buy over here. And you can buy the game pass. And once you buy the game pass, basically 100 Robux, which means if I pay 100 Robux to it, my friend is going to receive 70 because 30% is going to be taken by Roblox as a tax. So yeah, that's how we guys can give other people Roblox in Roblox. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.